Bar Dekho promotions are in full swing. Actors Sidharth, Malhotra and Katrina Kaif are leaving no stone unturned and doing city tours these days. This time, both the actors went to Pink City, Jaipur and danced with local people at the Jaipur metro station. Sidharth shared a video on his Instagram handle and wrote, Jaipur metro station got flash mob by our Kala Chashma Bar Dekho. The Bang Bang actor was seen sporting a crop top with anti-fit black pants, while Sidharth was seen in a white t-shirt, blue jeans teamed up with a grey jacket. Check out the crazy Jaipur promotion of Bar Dekho.